Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add IDM extensions on your Firefox browser. First, open up your Firefox browser and click on these three lines at the right corner of your screen. Click Add-ons and Themes. Click Extensions, and from Manage Your Extensions, click this icon, Install Add-on from File. From here, locate your IDM extension file and click on Internet Download Manager. Once you click it, you can see these files. If you have latest version, click on it and you will see this pop up and just click Add. Once you check your extensions, you will see here your IDM extension module is already enabled. And that's it. That's how you easily add IDM extensions in your Mozilla Firefox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.